Because the man of God has declared, that's what he did. Because we are chosen, that's what he did. Because when you choose you, Jehovah, you will this way. That's what you want to be. Who saw the message? Or the message who saw the message? Or the Lord Cabato, that's what he did. They are not living for themselves. They are making exploits for the generation to come. Pila. I will be anywhere. But to be the other side. I don't want you to be. It might take years to realize with the impact. Let's just try to get something an impact. Number two, you see, in life general, Giovanni Nessola, Lana in the area, there are territorial spirits or territorial altars. Territorial altars are there to make sure that it territorial altars are influenced by witches. Because it's only witches who will stand in the area and declare what the Lord is so. And is so. People are down. Ngeke laphumelela. Ngeke laya phambili. Noma bangakha. Kodwa ilevel izoba sendaweni yonke. It's either they reduce or they remain the same. The devil is a liar. I say the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. The witches are the liar. Adamana batalat. Adamana batevil worship. Walking in more in a mama. When you are pumelena beton. When you are pumelena bepein. When you are pumelena becatin. Oh, but to a pila. So the pila don't get enough. Not that no man produce anything. But I'm swearing who will Esther one long day. Who will deploy one long day. Who will Joseph one long day. And so she day on to Pila. Shout hallelujah. I shout hallelujah. I shout hallelujah. I shout hallelujah. I remember one time when God gave me an assignment to go and preach in Nigeria. You see, Baba and John Panumsu, but we more in town. Yes. It was my first time in over 10 years of ministry. preaching the gospel to sleep at the airport. It was my first time. Ngalala kanti imiboyo ithi ngiplaneni ukuthi ngibuyele emuva. Lapha ngiseLagos, eLagos, airport yakhona. Fonela yikenza njani lo kunandayo akazanga nokuzolala. Ubishop ongimemile usevalifo. Ngistranded ngifike ngo 8 o'clock. Watambama sebusuku. Semhleli lapha nambambila gate yami. One man from Redeemed Church asikaze samiti. Ngangigqokela uji neskipa. Wathi lo muntu lo, this one is a man of God. Wathi man of God, please come this side. Don't allow anyone to try to help you here in Nigeria. They will kidnap you and take your luggage. Yabona isimo masikufike ukhohlwa nokuthi unabangani endaweni. Afonela unkosikazi, unkosikazi. Hayi nangu bishop engasayibambi call manje. Sengifaka voicemail. Lo bekufanele ngilande iphoyisa la airport alizama. Wathi unkosikazi take it. Vele urebook another ticket and come back. Umoya ongcwele wana. Ngafonela omunye wabangani bami wathi umunye umngani wami ungakhathazeki. I will send my son early in the morning to lodge you in the hotel. Lepela wafika. Tifika lo. Wathenga ukudla kwabo. Adla ke bazalwane ngoba uyadla olambile ufaka yonke into. Kodwa ngathi isikhathi lesi ya ngakholwa ukuthi ulimi lwami ali-taste yami angazi noma kwakulimi lwami i-taste yami noma ngilalanga or kwakukudla kwakhona kwakungangeni kahle. Still masiqeda ukudla wafika. What man of God? Oh man of God, I am sorry. Wathi ukuthi umoya wami limele. Athi no, angizami nawo mina ngiyolojwa ehotel. Athi oh, the bishop will kill me. I don't care. I don't care. I've traveled all in countries. I've preached the gospel in countries. I never slept. I never received such a treatment. To sleep in an airport. At the airport, I'm gassing my toilet in the sofa. I'm banano, Kamganwa. My son will clean it up some share land. Drivers are Saloche okay. It was 9 o'clock. The Lord said to me, 11 o'clock there will be a call as on again. Accept that call and go. Oh, exactly 11 o'clock I'm getting call. Same bishop. Man of God, please accept my apology. Oh, I know I've messed up. It's fine, but then now, because now I was going to fly to Owe or Tewari, because I've got also genuine man of God everywhere. I can't be stranded. But okay, Abela, in a about 30 minutes wama ibubala wathi ukuthi uyeno uphoyisa la indleleni uhambe yaxolisa please pray for me. I'm not going to pray for you now. The day I come back, wait for me again in the airport and look for me. That's when I'm going to pray for you. That's why I saw Babeni Zanda namhlanje. Your life will never be the same. Your life will never be the same again. Saflya about 3 hours. Safika e-Owerri. Shumayela e-Owerri, sadlule e-Owerri ngayoshumayela eBhonyi. Yabona indawo yakhona sinje. Yabona? Sashumayela khona. On the